Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this website design case study. This is for a Forex trading company called chemistry.co. So as you can see, again, another website that we're pretty proud of. We built the logo itself, chemistry, with the play upon, of course, a chemist in chemistry. We took some pictures of molecules in a pattern like this to really, try and connect with the fact that it's chemistry, it's magic, but it's also kind of trading, and there's a science to it. So it felt like a really appropriate image that's part of the logo that could also stand apart as a logo of itself. So in that way, they had the opportunity to split them up and to use this individually as a logo, as well as to use this with the tagline "A Better Tomorrow" in regards to the returns that trading can bring. So that was the idea that we had with building this part of the actual logo. The website's built in WordPress. We've got some drop down options here, as you can see, and the various icons. We chose the book a call button because it stands out quite a decent amount, and we've embedded a calendar booking link here, as you can see. Book a call with Oliver, and it continues. I forget the name of the calendar tool that we've used here. I think it's Harmonizely. And then we've got Hey Oliver in the background, as you can see, or rather not in the background, but the chat, and it's got like a whole range of options that you can use here, which is quite nice. And there's been a huge amount of putting together some of these items like FAQs and otherwise. So a few latest campaigns and offers. So it's really a lot of thought's gone into some of the elements of this website. We've got the risk warning, which needs approval here. We added the address and phone number and these other details, and then we've taken the time to look at what we do and build each of the items. We've gone for a bit more of a fun feel, if that makes sense, in regards to these icons. There was some debate as to the route that we should take this, but we felt that keep it a bit more fun and light as opposed to the more formal, if you will, and formal style that sometimes can attract a bit more of a mature audience. And if you have a look at some of these pages, our algorithmic development process, we really took some pains to try and make it as simple as possible with the tactical use of images. You can see the symmetrical left to right to right to left to right, and then we bullet pointed out all of these items. So they're subtle, but they still really divide up the different elements of it all 17 points, as you can see here. And as we continue, you've got a day in the life of the chemistry team. So there's been a similar style there. And if we have a look at, for example, the contact us form, you'll see that it's a beautiful, straightforward, and simple site that's been built in WordPress, and there's been some thought taken with each of the elements, with the chatbot as well as a book a call button, as well as the items at the bottom and the logo. And yeah, really proud to have built this website.